Good morning, guys. Good morning again. Welcome again to this English class. This is the second week. Okay, I hope you're okay. So let's start. Let's start with vocabulary, clue words. Okay, last class we talked about sports. Do you remember? Now we are going to have some clue words to work in this session. Let's start. We have 7 words: date, country, team, final match, crowd, champions, and podium. Now I'm going to show you some pictures. For example, this picture, 1990. That is number 1, right? That is the date. What do you think about number 2? Country. There you can see Italy, right? Italy, that's a country. Yes, Italy, Brazil, Peru, right? Let's continue with number 3. Yes, team. What is a team? Team is a group of people, yes, that work together. Let's continue with number 4. Final match. Yes, very easy, very easy. Final match, final score, right? Number 5. Crowd. Yes, what do you see in the picture? There are many people. Yes, many people in a place. Crowd. Number 6. Champions. Very easy. Champions, the winners. Yes, the first place. And number 7. Podium. The podium. Yes. Do you remember Kahoot? Yes, in the last part we have the podium. Yes, the first place, the second place, the third place, right? Do you remember? Yes. Okay, so we are going to, now that we already checked these words, we are going to continue with the grammar part. For that, we are going to go to Alexia Classroom. Now let's check the grammar. Okay, and we have a question here. How was your school when you were 7 years old? Do you remember? For example, this is my example. There was a soccer team at my school when I was 7 years old. Okay, that is my example. Then you have to create your own examples, okay? Copy your notebook. We often use there was and there were to describe events in past. Singular and plural. In singular form, we use there was. For example, there was a football team at my school. We are talking in past, right? Plural. There were. There were football teams at my school. There were football teams at my school. Okay, remember, there was singular and there were plural. Okay? Now, look at the picture and make sentences. In the first picture, we have a dog. We have just one dog. Yes? Look at here. And in the next picture, the dog disappeared. Yes? So, what can we say about these pictures? There was a dog in the park, right? One dog, so it is singular form, right? There was a dog in the park, singular form. Now, last class we talked about the verb to be in past into negative and interrogative too, right? Do you remember? So, there was a dog in the park, it's positive, yes, affirmative. How is it negative? We can say there wasn't a dog in the park, right? There wasn't a dog in the park. Or we can say there was not. Yes, do you remember? Was, wasn't. That is singular form. Let's continue. Look at a picture and make sentences. We have another picture, a different picture. And now we have 3 dogs. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 dogs. And in the next picture, the dogs disappeared too. Yes? So, in this case, in this example, the sentence is in plural. Yes, because we have three dogs here. So we can say there were, yes, dogs in the park. Very easy. There were dogs in the park. Let's say again, were. How is it negative? Were not or weren't. Yes, there were not or there weren't dogs in the park. Yes, similar to that next last class. Sorry. Yes, it's similar to last class. Now it's your turn. Yes, look at this picture. I'm going to show you a new picture here. Look at this picture. Yes, the Flintstones. What can you see here? Yes, try to remember and then you will answer some questions. Okay, you have some seconds to remember. Okay, are you ready? Let's check. Now I'm going to show you some questions and you will answer using there was and there were. Yes? Was there a door in the picture? Were there ducks in the picture? Was there a dinosaur? Were there 2 women in the picture? How many palm trees were there? Yes? Okay, let's check number 1. Was there a dog in the picture? What do you think? Do you remember? Is this answer positive or is this answer negative? What do you think? Let's check. Yes, there was. Okay? Yes, there was. When we have a question, we say, was there a door in the picture? Positive answer, in this case, we will say, yes, there was. Yes? Let's continue with number 2. What do you think about number 2? Were there ducks in the picture? Let's check. No, there weren't, right? No, there weren't. Yes, in this case, the answer is negative, okay? And we have number 3, number 4, and number 5. So try to remember, and then we share in class, okay? Think your answers, and we share in the class, okay? Just to review, remember that we work with singular form and there were in plural form, okay? So that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you next class. Goodbye.